Now we are going to create a video which will help us to create the Google Forms or quiz with my mobile. It is easy on laptop or desktop, but we can also do it with mobile. I am going to do the same work, and I think this video will be beneficial for all of us. Now first of all, open the web browser. See, I have opened the web browser. And type google.com. google.com. It will show so many searches. I will use this one. After using this, see, there are two options. Sign in. If you are already signed in, then it will show the first letter of your email ID. But I am not sign in. And now after clicking on sign in, I automatically directed to my account, and now it is written yes. If you are not signed in, then sign in with your Google Gmail ID. Okay. After that, see, it is here. It is 9 dot here. Touch on 9 dot. These dots. See, there is no form option here. So we will move down. No form option here. Move down, and I will choose more from Google. More from Google. And after that, we will move down and check all products. See, all products. And after, in all products, Google Form is also available here. Google Form. Touch on Google Form. Now it is opening. I will wait. Just right now my network is very slow. That's why it is taking too much time. Otherwise, it works very fast without any problem. See, it is not opening. I will go back and I will try again. Google Form. It is not working. Sorry, site can't be reached. Now I am trying to reload. This is not common problem, so you will not face the same problem. Right now I am facing the problem. I am restarting my net because due to net the same problem may happen. See, I am trying again. Now see, the Google Form is opened, and click on go to Google Form. Now see, the untitled form is open. Here we have to give the some description like anything. You can give anything. Suppose that I have given description, all questions are compulsory and objective type. Now see, for taking the test, we have to make the inputs of a student's particulars like name. So write it, name here, and choose its type as paragraph. Here, click on this, choose its type as paragraph, and make it required. Some settings are left. I forgot to implement some settings, so I am implementing it. Click on this 3 dot, click on setting, and make it cues. click this option, make a quiz, and also choose letter after manual submission. And in general tab, we have to use this option and disable this and click on save. Now it will help us to specify the answers for the question, and now there is no need to check the copy if it is objective. The answer, the result of a student can be downloaded easily. Now I am going to take next question. Click on this plus sign in the bottom left corner. Click on this. Suppose that we have to take input as roll. Short answer, leave it short answer. Make it required, and no need to do these things. Click on plus. Now class. Make it paragraph, make it required. Now again add question section. We can also specify here section, like choose drop down A, add option, next A1, next option B, next option B1, and we can list all the section, which will help the student to select. No need to write here. We have to select the answer. Now see, this is the section tab. Now create a new section where we will write the questions. So we have taken an untitled section, and suppose that I have given the name of this section. It's section A. Write some description if you want to. Write it. All questions are compulsory. And now add question in this section. So click on plus, write question number 1. Suppose that I am going to create a MCQ question. Is the smallest unit of memory measurement? मेमोरी क्या है स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट? हम लोग यहाँ पे ऑप्शन स्पेसिफाई करेंगे. देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे ऑप्शन के लिए मल्टीपल चॉइस ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. हम लोग यहाँ पे ऑप्शन स्पेसिफाई करेंगे बिट, फिर से करेंगे ऐड अदर ऑप्शन पे क्लिक बाइट, फिर से ऐड अदर ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करेंगे किलोबाइट, फिर से अदर ऑप्शन पे करेंगे मेगाबाइट. अब मेरा सारा ऑप्शन स्पेसिफाई हो गया. अब मुझे मार्क इसको रिक्वायर्ड नहीं बनाएंगे, क्योंकि बच्चे क्वेश्चन को छोड़ भी सकते हैं. अगर उन्हें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो छोड़ भी सकते हैं, इसलिए इसको रिक्वायर्ड नहीं बनाएंगे. हम लोग फिर से क्लिक करेंगे. ये जो चेक बॉक्स दिख रहा है इस पे क्लिक करेंगे. इस पे जैसे ही क्लिक करेंगे तो जो करेक्ट आंसर है उसको मुझे टिक करना है. इस पे हम लोग देखिए यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है पॉइंट. अब कितने मार्क्स का बनाना चाहते हैं? तो सपोज दैट 1 मार्क्स का बनाना चाहते हैं. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है बिट. हमने डन कर दिया. अब इसका सारा काम हो चुका है इस क्वेश्चन का. स्टूडेंट को इसका आंसर नहीं दिखेगा, बल्कि ये आंसर जब लिखेगा, अगर इफ दे विल टिक द करेक्ट आंसर, देन the marks for correct answer will be calculated, otherwise not. If we want to add next question, then click on this plus sign, right? Click on this plus sign showing in bottom left corner. Click on plus and write second question. A standard unit of memory. हम लोग इसके लिए भी ऑप्शन स्पेसिफाई करेंगे. मेमोरी हम लोग इसके लिए भी ऑप्शन स्पेसिफाई करेंगे. जो भी ऑप्शन मुझे देना है वो हम लोग यहाँ पे टाइप कर सकते हैं. अगर कहीं कहीं पे जैसे फिजिक्स में, मैथ में सुपर स्क्रिप्ट सब स्क्रिप्ट बनाना है, तो आप सुपर स्क्रिप्ट को कैरेट साइन से भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो कहीं पे भी MS वर्ड या कहीं पे भी टाइप करके आप उसको यहां पर लाकर पेस्ट कर सकते हैं। KB, MB। अब हम लोग इसका आंसर फिट करते हैं। तो ये जो यहाँ पे दिख रहा है टिक वाला सिंबल, इस पे क्लिक करेंगे, पॉइंट यहाँ पे देंगे, 1 मार्क का है, इसका करेक्ट आंसर बाइट है, हम लोग इसको डन कर देंगे। सपोज दैट वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट ए ट्रू फॉल्स क्वेश्चन। द क्वेश्चन इज कंप्यूटर एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस, See, multiple choice, we have to choose multiple choice. See, here suggestion is given, true false, we have to click add all. Now true false is given. All the true false are specified as option in my response in the option lists. And now click to specify its answer and mark. Click on this, marks 1, its answer is true. Now done. Now I am going to create a question, match the following. See, MATCH, match, right here question number 4, match the following. Match the following. In match the following, we have to specify the row and column. Suppose that I have given here bit, I have given here byte, I have given here keyboard. Means the options of one side, options of column 1. Okay, mouse. We will specify its respective answer. Suppose that I have specified 8 bytes, 8 bits, 0 or 1, 0 or 1, input pointing device, input pointing device, add column, next is input device, input device. Now specify the answer for all. See, 1 point, its correct answer is 0 or 1. Click on this byte, specify mark, its correct answer is byte. Now again specify the marks for third, and its correct answer is input device. Now specify the marks for other. Now its correct answer is this one, and done. So in this way we can add more and more question, we can add more and more question, and we can conduct the test easily. After creating the question, we have to share the link with participants, then click on send, click on send. Now send via email, not email. Click next option, this option, second option, see this option, and click on copy, and click on copy. I have copied the URL, and open the WhatsApp where you want to send it, Suppose that I am sending this link to some teachers, because I will show you how we can get the answers. I am calling someone to answer the question, but there is no need to call by you. रिस्पांस मुझे भेजेंगे, मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगा कि कहाँ पे रिस्पांस मेरा आता है। ये कॉपी कर लिया, अब हम लोग इसको बंद कर सकते हैं। मेरा जो फॉर्म है ये बीडी पब्लिक स्कूल के नाम से है, या हम लोग इसको कुछ भी किसी भी नाम से बना लेते हैं। जैसे हम लोग इसको दे देते हैं, क्योंकि मेरे फोन में बहुत सारे टेस्ट बने हुए, हम लोग इसको टेस्ट 5 के नाम से सेव